Have you seen these adorable drink buckets? Okay, I have an idea. I don't know if it'll work, but I found the drink buckets and also this fun pack of really inexpensive socks. I also found these cute fall picks too. I have an idea. Let's see if it works. I picked out 4 of my favorite patterns of the socks, and I know this is gonna kill some of you, but I'm gonna cut them up. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with them next. But you could also, if you don't wanna buy brand new socks and cut them up, use some socks that you already have, because we're not gonna use the bottom part that gets dirty. We're gonna use the top part, and any sock will do. You're gonna want some really good fabric scissors for this, and you're just gonna cut the bottom part off, okay? So we're just gonna cut like that. This is what you have left, just the top part of the sock. Chop, chop. I just noticed that this one said it's sweater weather. I'm going to cut this so we can use this as well. So we'll have this little part on our craft, because we need to be able to put these on our drink containers. And then trim this bottom part to where just your words are showing. Sweater weather. Okay, don't get mad at me for cutting these socks up, because you can actually still wear this part. It just makes little no-show socks. Cute, right? Now we're going to cover our drink bucket with the sock. Super simple. And we're just making a little sock wrap around our drink bucket, so it's super cute to serve for the fall parties. I found it was easier to take the lid off and then put it flat on your table and then add the sock on top. Boom, done. So fast and easy, and you've got the cutest little wrap for your drink bucket. Let's see if this one works with the little saying, because it's not as long. I'm gonna go get another bucket. Oh yeah, this is so fun. For our drink, we're gonna do a simple apple cider punch. So we're gonna take, apple cider and just fill up your pitcher about 3/4 of the way, because we're gonna mix in some other things. Okay, it's good for now. Some cran apple. I will put the recipe on my blog. Sparkling apple cider. I like these mini things. You can find these anywhere at the Dollar Tree. Some cinnamon sticks. And I like to do fresh juice. That always makes any kind of drink really refreshing. Let's do a whole orange. Okay, there's half of one. I'm gonna do the other half real quick. You could slice up all kinds of things, but I personally like pears. I like different colors of apples, and of course, orange slices, because that just makes it look really pretty. But we're not gonna add it to this part of it. We're gonna add that to the cups. And stir this up. You can put this in the fridge the night before, a couple of days before your party. Then when you're ready to serve your cups, it's ready to go. The day of your party, just fill your drink bucket. You can do it halfway, because you're gonna add ice. That'll make it last longer. Add 1 orange slice and a couple of apples if you want. Different colors. That looks really pretty. Look how cute that is. And then we'll add some ice. Add the top to it. Then we're gonna garnish it with some cute little drink picks. Just pick out a couple of your favorites. I like the little pumpkin and the leaf for this one. So cute. Ta-da! Look how fun these are. You could even add hot cider, because this would keep your hands warm. Okay, y'all, I think they turned out super cute. I like to display mine on a tray, and this is what it would look like if you had regular cups, but these drink buckets just elevate it and make it so adorable. If you like this, please share with your friends. I'm Amy Locurto. Follow for more fun and easy recipes.